NEMO Motor replacement. To remove the side panels of the device, do as follows. Unscrew the lower locking screws. Release the side panels by pushing them upwards. Remove the side panels. Identify the front wall fixing screws on the bottom and remove them. Identify the upper front wall fixing screw on the rear left side and remove it. Identify the upper fixing screw of the front wall on the rear right side and remove it. Slightly rotate and lift the front wall to remove it. Identify and remove the screw locking the motor to the fan. Remove the 4 screws securing the motor. The motor can now be removed. Insert the new motor into position, taking care to center the fan. Tighten the locking screw between fan and motor. Position the front wall. Fix the upper right-hand side screw on the front wall. Fix the upper left-hand side fixing screw of the front wall. Tighten the front wall fixing screws on the bottom of the front wall. Mount the side panels by pushing them downwards. Tighten the lower locking screws.